Want to permanently delete your WhatsApp account? In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to do it. This method works on both Android and iPhone, and I'll guide you through every step so you don't get stuck. Before you delete your account, remember that this action is permanent and some of your WhatsApp data may not be recoverable. Let's get started. From your phone's home screen, find the WhatsApp app and tap to open it. Once WhatsApp opens, you'll see the main screen. Now, look at the bottom right corner and tap U. On some Android devices, this option may appear as the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Both options will take you to your WhatsApp settings. From there, we'll access the account settings where the delete account option is available. You're now on the WhatsApp settings page. Here, tap Account to open your account management options. This is where WhatsApp lets you control important settings, including the option to permanently delete your account. Once you open Account, we'll move one step closer to deleting your WhatsApp account. You're now inside the account settings. Here, you'll see the delete account option. Simply tap delete account to continue. On the next screen, you'll need to verify your phone number before permanently deleting your WhatsApp account. You're now on the final confirmation screen. Before you continue, take a moment to read the warning. Deleting your WhatsApp account will permanently remove your account information, profile photo, message history on this device, and you'll also be removed from all your WhatsApp groups. If there's anything important you want to keep, make sure you've already backed up your chats and media before moving forward. Now, confirm that the correct country is selected, then enter your phone number in the required field. Once everything is correct, tap the Delete Account button to permanently delete your WhatsApp account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your WhatsApp account. If this guide helped you, let's see if we can reach 1,000 likes on this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.